Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dina Fitria dengan NIM 21103010110. Saya dari kelas A1. Yang pertama, penulisan nama belakang nama keluarga pertama yang diikuti dengan inisial. Yang pertama, Grigonius N Kawakul. Yang ketiga, Jasop Akskov. Yang keempat, Martinus Moller. Yang kelima, Justin Lovers. Yang keenam, Moren Kulak. 7, Stephanius Corpo de White. Esther H. Christina Villa Roll, Brian Harrow dan Rowell. Tiga publikasi ini diterima 22 April 2022 dan diterbitkan 10 Mei 2022. Dari judul artikel ini, mengapa mereka datang, apa yang terjadi, dan nomor volumenya itu plus 1 17/5. Selanjutnya, mengapa peneliti ini melakukan penelitian? Karena mereka ingin tahu mengapa orang dengan LBP memiliki untuk ke ED ketika opsi lain tersedia di komunitas. Apa tujuan dari penelitian ini? Nah, tujuannya itu mengingat hal di atas. Tujuannya ini dari peneliti adalah untuk mendokumentasi alasan orang-orang dengan LBP hadir untuk ED karena berkaitan dengan aksesibilitas, dominan sosial dan ekonomi dalam addiction, faktor-faktor yang terkait dengan penerimaan pemeriksaan dalam upaya untuk menghasilkan hipotesis masa depan. Sepengetahuan kami, jawabnya pertanyaan ini belum pernah dilaporkan sebelum di literatur darurat. Yang kedua, what is the methodology to the study? This was a prospective observational monocentric study where the target population was to this presenting to the University of Alberta Hospital Emergency Department with a complete of LBP. The Whitehead is a major urban teaching center located in the Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Population 1.3 million with approximately 35 adult party visit per year. It trauma, breast transplant, and pediatric center staffed by full-time emergency physicians learned from a variety of specialty program. A total of clinic shift of 8-hour duration are employed to staff the adult side of the UHED at the time of the study, not other healthcare professional. Whereabouts at this site include participants present a year or older visiting the OHED one who self-report LBP, whose account for the study were considered to have cognitive impairment were enrolled previously in the study intended for direct consultation, or the patients presenting to UHED under police escort further advantage who were unable to read or communicate in English were also included until a friend or family member was able to assist in the completion of the collection of study material. Patents one were failing to annul due to nilsy pain emotional instability or intoxication, but improved before the end of the study. Recruitment were approached to participants in the study in indication to data collect for the quantification the administrative data for the study very were verified by data information and measurement report DIMR within Albert Health Service atau AHAS. Selanjutnya apa hasil dari penelitian? Hasil penelitian ini over the study period person presented to the what and with a couple of LBP. This person were screened against the stated inclusion criteria and were excluded for multi-duration of those excluded were mission department for the period to research assistant arrival, which required immediate attention and person complete their visit with a not back pain diagnosis. Low back pain is a exceedingly common health complaint, and when severe may precipitate a practitioner to healthcare setting include the and this study collected data from consecutive practice practicing to high volume, high acuity hospital and it in Western Canada to examine reason and expectation for presenting to the end with a complaint of LBP. Well, numerous studies have evaluated the demographics and visit characteristics of LBP patients. In the end, it is rare for researchers to directly query motivation for attending an ad for LBP or urge question. Why do people with LBP choose to come to the ad? Implies the people have a choice of where to seek care. As so we call that people who may not have had to discuss. What is conclusion? Overall, data suggest that most patients with LBP present to the AD when their pain is severe and they are seeking pain control and or they have diagnostic uncertainty. Over most patients and providers would agree that the AD is not ideal location to verify the diagnosis of chronic condition. However, with adrenation underlying issue related to fatigue causing the AD for LBP issue with primarily ambulatory care, lack of cleanliness and other factors. The risking the death of AD presentation will not likely cancel with the result. Future studies should focus on intersectionality issue and how the may affect the dedication of the parties. Sekian dari saya, ada kurangnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.